What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Joe's AllStar Tool Monday. So, it's running. It's a good thing. Making progress. Let's see what he's got. Come on.
How you doing? I hope you all had a great weekend. You know, it cooled off a little bit.
Finally, it's only in the 90s today.
It's only in the 90s. But when you say cool, it's not where the temperature is, it's where the feels at is. It's not 115. So, I found out how to make it rain yesterday. It was every time I wanted to go outside and do something. But my wife and I, we had our 33rd wedding anniversaries last weekend.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Hope you bought her something nice. Put up with your ass that long.
That poor woman putting up with me all this time, I tell you.
Wow. That's a long time.
A couple of days. I says, are you sure? I says, it can't be.
Wow.
I said, but it's a new record. And, you know, with the way, you know, life has thrown us a few curveballs and her going through those couple mini strokes, you know, you really realize just how close and things are. And this last week I got a chance to talk to a couple guys that called and ordered and getting into the bucket of cash and getting a chance. We're going to pick a winner today.
All right.
We're going to pick a winner today. So they told me about how mini strokes affected their families. You know, one person, and mom, you know, says really kicked him in the gut. His mom was his first deaf and blind, and then gets a mini stroke. And another guy, his dad, the doctors wanted to pull the plug for a few months.
Wow. And
they knew better. And sure enough, he's home and that. But he's still feeling, still going through the adverse effects of this. But it took him 2 years to realize he went back to learning the old country Indian language, and that he forgot American language.
Wow.
And for 2 years they're talking to him, they couldn't figure out why they weren't getting to him. And the guy who I talked to, he's third generation here, and he says, I don't speak Indian. He says, but somehow they found out his dad went back to just speaking Indian, and then once they found that out, man, life was so much better. But
well, I'm going to tell you how hot it was today. I pulled a fuel tank out of a Ford Explorer.
Okay.
Which is a whole nother story, trying to get parts for this thing.
Oh, parts.
For the fuel pump, right? So, of course, obviously, it never runs, the fuel pump never goes bad when it's an empty tank. It's always full. So I had it sitting on the transmission jack, and you could watch, you know how the gas, the fumes?
Yeah.
Like you could see it several feet above the
garage.
I was like, oh man, this thing, it'll combust before long if I don't hurry up and get a part in here. So
it's a good thing you don't smoke, huh?
Man, I'm telling you what, it's bad. Like it was like 2 feet above the opening where that fuel pump was in there. You could see it going up. I was like, wow.
Yeah, you realize that stuff, man. Yep. I'm telling you.
Anyway,
so we got to quick do the bucket of cash. The people that get into the cooler drawing, because we're going to draw that. Turns out to be the same people, one for the other. So first, and I want to thank each and everybody in here. But we have Isaac Burkwalt. We have 4 here. And we have 1 ticket here. So we're going to do this ticket here first.
Okay.
It goes in here. We're going to mix them up. I mean, I don't do 200,000 tickets. There's just a small handful of tickets. And we can see there's unglued to the side or the wall or the bottom.
That one go in there too?
Yep. We're going to get there too. We got Mr. Peter Christoph. He always gets in here. We always thank him too. We have Mr. James Watkins. And he hit me hard too.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. He was wondering if you'd say something for him. So that yeah, buddy does pretty good.
James
so,
is a good dude.
So thank you, Mr. James. And then we have Mr. Bryant Hutchinson. We have 3 here and 1 ticket here. So we have a ticket here. We're just gonna mix them up, put them through the meat grinder. Give them a little Watusi shake. No, we don't make martinis. So we're gonna do a couple tools, then we're gonna pick.
All right.
So we got some suspense. There's a lot of people in here. I told Clay,
And that's for the remote control Milwaukee cooler.
This here, a great big bad boy right here. Look at this. Big chrome simulators for the wheels. Ooh. I told Clay,
So that would be pretty cool.
I just wonder how far I got to ship this. It's a big box.
Yeah.
But, you know, and it's going to be a great day.
It will be.
So, first thing, Clay, if you just look up ahead here. So, pocket pry bars. I got them.
Plenty of them.
I got them. And when I
And they got magnets on them.
yeah, and when those run out, then I got the bag here, so I got plenty.
Plenty of pocket pry bars.
So everybody asks me about tools and shipping them, and then I always say, "Oh yeah, by the way, you want a pocket pry bar or 2 or 6? I don't know." But people have been being smart. They've been getting wrench extenders, you know, 3, 4, 5 at a time. It's like, yeah, me and all the guys here, we'd split the shipping.
Yeah.
Smart move. I like it.
I see one thing you got, and that is probably the best scraper ever made right there. The way that it locks the blade
in place.
Yeah.
And you know,
I bought one of those.
I'm
going to say that's the best money on a scraper ever spent.
I have one of these in my toolbox at home too. You bet. So you unscrew this, pull the blade out, turn it around.
Then you cut your finger off.
Yeah, put it in there carefully because now it's sharp and now it means business. Let me tell you, it'll work.
Those are nice.
So I'm just going to turn that around. Just spinning that around, I think I shaved some of my fingerprints off right there.
Mm-hmm.
But that's a good one. 6-inch long, $15.
Can't beat it. Well, you can beat it with a stick, but then it won't be working.
Yeah. Guy has a stick, guy has a razor. I'm taking the guy with the razor because he's going to cut you wide, deep, and often. All right, we have that. We have...
Yeah, you got to show what's in your pocket.
We have new from Knipex.
Yeah.
It says, am I holding it the right way? Made in Germany.
That's it.
Knipex.
Hold your hand out there where everybody can see how tiny that thing is.
So,
little bitty fellows right there. Yep, that's cool.
now, I mean, you want to talk about there is no sharp edge anywhere, but they are fine defined edges. It's a non-marring, so if you got something, plastic, brass, aluminum, you can't leave teeth marks on it. Now, this will open up and turn a 3/4 inch nut. The jaws move parallel, so even though you open it from here to here and there's 10 different settings you can set it at, the jaws remain parallel so they will grip.
Ain't got no teeth on it.
No teeth. No teeth.
Kind of like old grandma and ain't got no teeth.
Well, we're not going to say anything about that.
So how much are the baby Knipex pliers wrench?
These are $60.
$60. Okay.
Knipex. And see, I got a bunch of them.
Mm-hmm.
I got a bunch more coming. I've been going through them like, you know, sausage with pancakes on Saturday morning.
There you go.
So, we had other tools. Oh, you're going to ask me this.
Torque adapters.
Torque adapters, Sonex torque adapters, metric set.
Okay.
Great set.
How much are they?
Oh, I knew you were going to ask me that. I just saw it and grabbed it. I don't know. We'll tell you in a little bit. I am more interested in this.
All right, well, let's draw it then.
So, okay.
You pulling or am I pulling?
Oh, you're pulling. I can't pull. I'm gonna take my.
Open it up. I'll draw it.
I'm gonna be like this, and then when you pick a name, I'm gonna be hey.
I'll draw that bad boy. I ain't got no dog in the race. I'll draw one. That's the winner right here. Let's see who that is. Oh, what's the name on this side? Walter Frederick.
Yay, Mr. Walter Frederick.
There you go. That's the winner of the
we see his
Milwaukee
name.
Cooler.
We see his name in here a lot.
There
Walter Frederick.
So you're gonna be shipping it. I think it's Michigan.
Michigan.
That's
yep.
Right.
Holton, Michigan.
There you go.
Yep, that's about pretty much as far as So
Almost
Mr.
to
Walter,
Canada.
I don't know. Do we call him?
He'll say it on the video. He watches all the videos.
I know he does.
Very faithful.
But for everybody else, do we call him?
Call him. He's probably working. Man, works.
Let's just see.
Okay. Call him up.
Let's just see. We'll find out real quick.
Call him up.
We've been doing this for 2 days too long.
We're going to look around and shop while you call
Okay.
Walter. A lot of people don't get to see this area of the truck. It's always hidden.
Hello.
Mr. Walter, how are you?
Good.
Hey, I'm videotaping you right now, so you're live. But we just picked your name. You won the cooler.
Good.
Oops, there went my truck. Say that one more time. What'd you say?
Good.
Good. I told Clay, I says, I just wonder how far I'm going to have to ship this thing. So, you're going to be getting a big package in the, it's probably not going to fit in your mailbox.
Good.
So, congratulations. And we picked your name live here, and so we're talking to you live. Appreciate all you do for me, and everybody now knows you're famous. You won the Milwaukee Remote Control Cooler.
He can remote control his beer around.
So I'll be getting that shipped out to you tomorrow when I get to a. I'm gonna have to take it to a UPS store. I don't think it'll fit in the little mailman hand. So again, thank you, and we will talk later.
Good.
All right, bye bye.
Well, there you go, boys. The
There.
cooler's gone.
Signed, sealed, and
Almost delivered.
yeah.
Well, cool.
Walter Frederick.
That's a good deal.
What a guy.
Yep.
So, we're just going to leave it at that.
All right. Sounds good to me.
I did get a shirt for one of the guys at the 2 show. One of the shirts like I wear. I don't happen to have one on today, but shows AllStar shoes. Like $25.
Okay.
Button down. Nice shirt. Extra large. Can't
Cool.
go wrong.
Can't go wrong.
So, guys,
All right.
have a great week. I hope you had as good a weekend as I had. If not, have a great week. And we'll work on this weekend coming up.
You know what's funny, Joe? Every single week, it never fails. I always speak your number and I put it on the screen and text. I never miss that, no matter what. I always put it there.
Should I say it for you?
No, but every single week somebody says, how do I get a hold to Joe?
Yeah. Does he ship?
So,
Joe,
for all you guys that always ask,
Joe
where
will
is
ship.
Joe's phone number? It's right down here at 731-412-7295. It's in every single video we've ever done with Joe.
They're just too busy laughing to see
Every
that,
single
you know?
one. But there it is. It's there.
They're too busy laughing to see the number.
But Joe's number is there. I promise you. I'll do it one more time. It's right here. 731-412-7295. Every
you.
video.
And yes, I will ship.
Joe will ship.
Thank you.
Always. All right, guys, like always, thanks for hanging out with us. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Just click the thumbs up. Check over here for merchandise. Cool tools and discount codes is in the description. If you're not subscribed, it's even easier than that. You just click that button. You guys have a great week. See ya.